I'm going to show you how you can count the words of your Google documents in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So this method will help you know all the words that your file or document contains in just a few seconds. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You just need to go to the tools right here at the top, then go to word count, or you can also press Ctrl Shift C and you will see the number of pages, the words, the characters, and the characters without including spaces. So you can also enable this option right here that will display the words at the bottom left of the screen while you are typing. So as you can see, it's increasing right now because I'm typing. And if you click here, you will see more detailed information about everything on your document. If you don't want it anymore, you can click on hide word count and that's it. This is very useful if you are doing homework or a project or something where you need a specific number of characters of or words. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.